and welcome to my room. I've lived here for a couple of years and it took a while to turn this room into a space that I really enjoyed being in. So now that I have, I want to share my knowledge with you. So in this video, I'm going to be going over 3 major tips that I have used to turn my bedroom into a space I love, and I didn't need to spend a ton of money on furniture and decorations. So tip number 1 is to get creative and ask yourself if you can make or thrift your own furniture. So this is my desk that I have in my room. It's made out of 4 cinder blocks and a piece of wood that's meant for a staircase. The total cost of this desk that I've made, I think, was around $15, and that was just because the wood was more expensive. And then instead of getting a bed frame that was probably going to cost a significant amount of money, I just went to a home improvement store and got these pallets for free. I literally just asked if there were pallets that I could take home for free, and they were like, yeah, sure, here you go. And as you can see, I store some books in it, and it looks really nice. It gives the room a natural, comfy vibe that I like. So my second tip is to just repurpose what you already have. For example, I just stacked books next to my desk, and it gives the room some color and texture, but I already had these books and I needed a place for them anyway. In addition to that, you can obviously print out photos and make your own art to put on the walls. I also put my necklaces on my closet doors, and it makes it easy to access the necklaces, but also kind of looks cool. Now, my third tip, and probably the most important one in my opinion, is to declutter. In my experience, having less stuff has made me feel lighter and created more space and allowed me to appreciate what I already own. I've learned a lot from Marie Kondo's tidying philosophy, and so I highly recommend her books. One is called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. And not gonna lie, learning to let go of stuff does take practice. It's an iterative process, and you'll never be completely done because we're constantly accumulating more things as we go through life. So I think it's good to just declutter every so often, but I also think you don't have to be a minimalist per se. You can get to a healthy place where you find equilibrium and feel good about how much stuff you have. So the first step is to declutter in categories. So take one category of stuff and put it in one place first. Then second, you think about what sparks joy. And this is something Marie Kondo talks about a lot. But basically you pick up each item, think about if it sparks joy in your life, and if you truly love the thing that you're holding. If you think you could live without it, or haven't used it, or feel like it's taking up space, then I would not keep it. Then the last step is just to repeat the whole process over again with each category until you've gone through all your belongings. So I did this with my books first, which I found easier. And then this clip is my closet beforehand. So it's kind of packed with stuff. But I went through my closet shelf by shelf. So I took out all the stuff in the first shelf, which was mostly documents and papers, decluttered that. Then I did that for the second shelf of clothes, and then my third shelf of art supplies. And even though I've decluttered my room on many occasions in the past, I was still able to pull out all this stuff to give away or resell. And this is what it looked like before and after. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you ended up doing to your room to make it a space that you enjoy being in. See you guys next time. Have a great rest of your day.